How are you guys? I just received these bionic fascia insoles for foot protection. Let's check it out.
I needed this product because when I run, my feet get very wet. And when I get home, my shoes smell very bad. These are the instructions for all shoe sizes. Okay, let's put it. This insole has 3M adhesive to ensure non-slip. We're going to remove the sole of our shoe. Then we are going to stick the bionic insole. Finally, we are going to cut the edges. I'm gonna put my shoes on and see how it feels. These insoles are made of a very comfy material. It feels very good. I feel very comfortable with these new insoles because they are going to help me every day to not make my feet so tired. Also, my feet are going to feel more fresh because they are going to be dry. I hope this review was helpful for you guys. Bye!